Hello friends, have you been to any meeting where previously you were told that meeting is of 1 hour and it lasted for 3 hours? Or you were given a different theme and the meeting discussion had gone to an entirely different point? Or the speaker you thought will be given 30 minutes to speak was given only 5 minutes? And you are frustrated after coming out of the meeting. What do you think is the reason behind this? It is because of lack of meeting agenda. Do you want to learn it? Then in this video we will learn all about meeting agenda. First we will understand what is an agenda. Then we will understand why it is required. And finally we will understand how to prepare a meeting agenda with a format and example. So without further ado, let's get started. What is a meeting agenda? A meeting agenda is a list of activities with a schedule that participants are hoping to achieve during the meeting. An agenda may also be called as a docket, schedule, or calendar. Meeting agenda must have 3 things in it. Number 1, meeting details. So first thing is meeting timing, on which day, date and time the meeting is going to happen, the objective of the meeting and meeting location. The second thing is list of action items along with the speaker or presenter's name. And number 3, prior meeting actions if any. For example, bring a pen and paper, study this material for meeting. So these are the 3 most important details in an agenda. Now that we have understood what is a meeting agenda and what it contains, let's understand why an agenda is required. The main motive behind creating the agenda is that the meeting should go in a smooth flow. For that to happen, the organizer or meeting host needs to clearly define the activities of all the participants along with the timeline. The 3 key advantages of preparing an agenda are: number 1, it helps in creating a highly productive meeting. It prevents unproductive and boring meeting as the participants know what they need to prepare before going to meeting and they present their point based on it. Number 2 is it saves a lot of time as each participant knows when to speak and how much to speak. And number 3, it creates awareness among attendees or guests as they know the entire schedule and activities well in advance. So these are the 3 key advantages of preparing an agenda. Now let's understand the format of an agenda. There is no strict format of an agenda. However, I will share you an easy to use format that will be very helpful for any meeting. So let's begin. There are 5 important things that must be there in an agenda. Number 1, at the top middle, write the word meeting agenda. Number 2, leave some space and write meeting details. In meeting details section, you can create a table in this way and write 5 important details. Number 1, meeting name. It could be a general meeting or a specific meeting. You can give the theme of the meeting as the name. Number 2, meeting objective. You can write in this way. The objective of this meeting is to, and then the actual objective. Number 3, meeting location. If it is happening online, then give the meeting link as well. Number 4, meeting time. Day, date and time need to be mentioned along with the time zone if required. And number 5, meeting host. Here the name of the meeting organizer will come. So these are the 5 details that must be there in meeting details. Number 3, leave some space and write activity list. In activity list section, you can create a table in this way and write 3 important details. Number 1. Name of the speaker. Number 2. Activity that he or she is going to conduct. And number 3. Time allotted to the speaker. So this entire table will be helpful in understanding the proper meeting schedule. Number 4. Mention the name of attendees that will be joining the meeting. And number 5. Finally, mention the list of actions that need to be performed by the attendees prior to the meeting. So this is the entire format. Now let's look into an example to understand this format. You are Ankit Arora, the HR head of ABC company. Your organization has decided to restart the work from office model as COVID cases have reduced. Create an agenda informing the managers regarding the same. First, let's write meeting agenda. Then, let's quickly write the meeting details in this way. Notice, I have filled all the 5 details. Next comes the list of activities. And here are the list of activities that I have prepared for all the speakers along with the timeline. Next comes the list of invitees. And here are the list of all the invitees, including the participants as well as the guests. Finally comes the activities that needs to be there before the meeting. So in this way, our meeting agenda is finally prepared. You may pause the video and look into different section again. So you have understood the format as well as an example. Now let me give you an exercise to practice. The question is, share any 3 reasons for having a meeting agenda before conducting an actual meeting. Please pause the video and message your answers in the comment. I hope you would have given the answers. So that's all about meeting agenda in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. Firstly, we looked what is a meeting agenda. A meeting agenda is a list of activities that participants are hoping to achieve during the meeting. It must have 3 things in it. Number 1, meeting details. Number 2, list of activities along with the action owners and timeline. And number 3, prior meeting actions if any. Then we understood why is meeting agenda important. Next, we looked at the format of the agenda. There are 5 things in a meeting agenda. Number 1, at the top middle, we have the word meeting agenda. Number 2, we need to write meeting details. And these are the 5 things that must be there in meeting details. Number 3, activity list. Number 4, mention the name of attendees that will be joining the meeting. And number 5, the list of actions that need to be performed before the meeting. Finally, we looked into an example of the same. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. All the best for your upcoming exams. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.